Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Education Times. Today I will show you a new CPA marketing method. This method is create a post, create a marketing strategy one time, then you get unlimited traffic, unlimited lead or unlimited earning in a lifetime. Now at first I am going to my browser and log in my email address and set up my email. Now write settings and click see all settings. Now scroll down, look at this, it's vacation responder off. Now I am click vacation responder on, and last day it's optional, so when you select your last date then it's refer to your specific date. I'm not that's why I don't select. Now I'm write subject and write some message, and it's a trick for your invitation. If you want change your topic, then you write anything. Now I need a CPA offer link, that's why I'm going to my offers. Which offer you choose and which country you promote, then you select first link, then you promote this link in this part. Now I'm write down this link in this below sentences. Somebody click this link, then you get a landing page and they earn gift card. Now I'm click save change. When you click save change, then you will claim your free gift cards in now, otherwise variation settings. If you click in now, then your settings are removed. How many times it's longer, then any person come to your email, otherwise contact your email, then automatically receive these types of mail. Now create a poster which post in lot of social sites or marketing policies. That's why I'm using Canva. If you don't create a post, then watch channel and Canva video, then you take a full format. Now I'm complete my poster or post. Look at this, 200 free gift card offers. Email to the below address, get your gift card instantly. Now this email address, animation arrow, and is the photo which is a lot of gift cards, and I am select which person only use this card or use this email, such as Canada, Australia, United States, United Kingdom only. Now I am going to my Facebook or Pinterest or Instagram or Reddit, a lot of platforms, but I am showing in Facebook. And I'm going to my Facebook account and come to my page. Now I'm posting here, create a post, and now I'm write some text. Do not drop your email address on this comment box. Now I'm adding a photo. Then I'm post. Now it's posted. Look at this, it's in post. Every person come to my page, then they look at go to our email address, mail, then automatically send my offer. Otherwise I'm going to a lot of gift card shop or gift card page, such as free gift card house, Amazon gift card, Google Pay gift card page. Obviously we are posting a public group. I'm going to a group list and select a group and come to a group and write down here, complete my post. And press post. And this post is live. Look at this post is live. Everybody click this post and like and comments. Then they get a email address. When they write an email, then they replied a offer link. And it's a very simple policy, and it's created one time, but it profit lifetime. If you have created a lot of offers, then you create. If you have get a lot of conversion, then you post a lot of platforms or a lot of groups, and easily you get daily earn a lot of 20, 30, 40, 50, $100. Thank you for watching my video, and if you have new, then you subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Or what types of video you needed, then comments please in my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.